My name is Juan D. I'm a founder of Harlingen Family Dentistry. I was born and raised here in Harlingen, Texas, on the west side of Harlingen. My dental practice is only probably about a half a mile away from where I was actually born. I like that I grew up in this area and came up from humble beginnings and grew up in a large family. And I always wanted to come back to this community and be a factor in the community and do something for the community. Well, I actually had an experience with a toothache when I was 14 years old, and it took 2 to 3 days to find a dentist that could treat me because everybody was too busy at the time. And I didn't sleep for those couple of days, so I know it was a very bad experience for me. And finally got a hold of a dentist who took care of me at the time. And I think at the time I made the decision that one day I'd come back to this area and be able to treat people when they have some emergency care or emergency needs, as I had at the time with this terrible toothache. So I know what it feels like to have a toothache. And it's one of the philosophies that I put in my practice, to do emergency care for patients, regardless of the time of day or weekends or whatever, and take good care of them. And that's how the practice over the years has grown. One of the most pleasurable moments in dentistry is being able to take care of a patient that really needs it and is in pain, and they come in and you can see the change in their face from a very painful experience to being able to smile again and joke. Also, another real pleasurable experience in dentistry is treating people that I see sometimes, people that have very bad teeth, and they start coming in and you start seeing the differences, and they start changing their whole demeanor and how they feel and how they communicate and even how they dress. You know, people totally change, and you can see the differences in that, and they take more pride, and their self-esteem comes up, and it's really a neat experience watching that in individuals as we improve their smiles, and then they can really smile again. So I think we're making the community a nicer and prettier place by doing that.